Hi, everybody. Mrs. Landon here. I hope you're all having a nice, relaxing time at home, getting ready for spring break to start up here. I just doing a short video to give you an idea of what our e-learning environment would look like if on Monday, March 30th, we don't go back to the actual building, but are going to be in the classroom on our computers. First thing you should expect is I'm going to use the updates on Schoology in our FST course every Monday and do a video update of what you can expect for the week. So please do look at this page. One of the things I want to look at first is just going over the calendar. So I'm going to click on the calendar right here and show you what you can see. So I'm going to jump over here at the end of March. So on March 30th, we do start with even class period. So that's my 4th hour FST. Then that Tuesday is the odd hour. So I have 3rd and 7th hour. That's you guys. You are going to see only one of them in your view. In my teacher view, I have all of 3 sections. So you're not going to see as much stuff as you see here. What we're going to do in the first week is actually wrap up chapter 5. So one thing we're going to do is just play a Kahoot at the beginning of the time, and then you're going to have a multiple choice to review to do. When you do this, you're going to play the Kahoot by yourself individually. I get to see your scores on the back end. You'll get some more insight when you start that. On Wednesday and Thursday combination days, I'm going to have you take those notes on 5.5C, which is the area of the triangle. We want to know that information. We are also going to start your assessment project. So instead of a test, it's kind of a short little project. You're going to have 2 of these block class periods. So let's say you meet Wednesday, you're Wednesday and Friday to do the project, or you're going to be Thursday and Monday to do the project. So we'll introduce that on Monday or on Wednesday if you're there, and then it'll be due Friday as your deadline. If you're Thursday, then it'll be due or the deadline again on Monday. Now, following that, we are going to jump into chapter 7. And I'm not going to go through all the details. It's about polynomials, but you're going to see the pacing out. You're basically going to be taking video notes, doing online homework, having some of those online formative quizzes that we use the blue puzzle pieces for. We are going to do this chapter, actually, we do the learning for almost 4 weeks here. Towards the end of April, if we're still in e-learning environment, we will have our final assessment here. You're going to see it slotted for the May 7th and May 8th. So it's not for quite a while, but we have a lot of material to cover in chapter 7. Now let me just show you real quickly. Let's go to the folder. You can get a view of how it's going to look for you. And I really wanted to make it easy for you to understand what to do. For example, when you come to class on that first day, again, March 30th, that's 4th hour, it's day 1. If you're 5th hour, or I'm sorry, 3rd or 7th hour, you're going to be, your day 1 is on a Tuesday. So I didn't want to put Monday or Tuesday when things are due on the folder, just day 1, day 2, you're going to see day 3 and so forth. At the front of the folder, you're going to see what the assignment is. So it says here your assignment, you're going to play a Kahoot, you're going to upload a folder. You're going to do a green multiple choice puzzle piece and submit that. And the last thing you're going to do is upload work. If you click inside of it, very easy to follow. Here's the Kahoot. It's going to be embedded in there, the multiple choice and your upload work. The next thing is, if we just look a quick view at day 2, which again is going to be your Wednesday or your Thursday, this here says we're going to watch the video notes on 5.5C, do the green puzzle piece. And then you're going to get introduced to the project. And I have a video for that, which I'm still working on. So in here, what you're going to find in this folder, this is our actual PDF document of our textbook for section 5.5. We haven't really used the physical textbook, but we do actually have it. This here is the PDF notes of my actual video. This is the video for listening to and taking your notes, and then your green puzzle piece that you are used to. When we get to it on that Wednesday or Thursday for you of that first week back, I will talk in more detail on the project, and I'm going to make a separate video for that. Really, the other thing I want you to know is about deadlines for homework. When we start the daily homework assignments, they are going to be due as for you to get full credit that next class session. So let's say you meet on a Monday for your class period. That means Wednesday is your next session. And therefore, the due date for that homework would be at 9 a.m. when school officially starts on that next class period. Any homework coming in after that due date, it can only earn up to half credit. So you are going to have a little bit more push on you to get that homework done in a more timely manner. Basically, you're going to have 2 days. If the weekend comes into play, you might have 3 to 4 days. No longer are we going to wait till the end of the chapter to have that homework due for full credit. So full credit is that next class period. The other thing, just keep in mind on homework, if questions or anything about how this system works, please feel free to email me. My email is landon@277apps.org. Again, I hope this video finds you well. Enjoy your spring break, and we will see you on Monday or Tuesday, that last week in March, either physically at the school or virtually online here.